Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and this is the Tech News Update. We are Friday, January the 25th, 2019, and today in our Tech News Update we have Xbox Insider Program. One of the biggest complaints of the Xbox Insider Program is that to remove yourself from the Xbox Insiders, it was kind of a complicated procedure. Now Microsoft has finally made things easier. If you go to the Insider Hub app, you now have an easier way to remove yourself from the Insider program and even delete all the telemetry and data that was gathered from your Xbox console. In other news, we also have the Windows 10 Insider Previews. A new build was released yesterday, late in the day, build 18323. It, of course, has now the release name instead of pre-release. That kind of means that basically we're getting into the last stretch of the development of Windows 10. So this is interesting because that means we're getting closer to what will be officially the next version of Windows. Instagram, WhatsApp, and Messenger might be getting closer. Some rumors say that they would be integrated into one app, but some, and I think that would be what's going to happen, Mark Zuckerberg asked developers to rewrite the basic core of each app. So developers will be rewriting the basics of Instagram, WhatsApp, and Messenger. We'll add end-to-end encryption. But what might change is that probably the apps will still be standalone apps, but they'll be able to communicate with each other, which would be something new. So this is going to be interesting to see. If you've got a Lumia 950 XL, well, just Google. There's a tool available that will actually make you install successfully Windows 10 on ARM on that device. And it seems that the ARM 810 chipset is powerful enough to actually run Windows 10 on ARM on the device. So why not maybe transform that device, especially if you don't use it anymore, into a Windows 10 on ARM device? It seems that some people have spotted the new AMD Ryzen 3rd generation, as some have apparently seen some of the tests being done online. Of course, the 3rd generation is something that a lot of people are waiting for. It seems that, with the big gains that the AMD chips have had and the popularity that it had in the past few years, well, a lot of people are looking forward to this. Apparently, the spotted CPU supports 12 cores and 24 threads. Well, interesting. It seems that the Google employee walkout actually happened in 2018 because every employee didn't like what happened within the upper management, was entirely or almost entirely done using Gmail and Gmail employee email system. It seems that it just shows the power of email. YouTube has a little problem. A number of high-profile YouTube stars have been hit by scams. What happens is that the bad guys impersonating the YouTubers, the popular YouTubers, send messages to fans saying that if they click on a link, they win a prize. Problem is, it's just a scam, and YouTube says it knows, and now that it's looking into how it can fix the problem. Well, this looks like a nice place to work. I wish I could be there instead of here with all the snow and ice. Well, according to a study, 75% of IT workers that work remotely are much happier than office workers, and that the majority of them say they would never want to move in an office ever again. And I can tell you one thing, doing the job that I do here, I would not want to move in an office also. It seems that Apple might want to actually have a little more control over everything it's doing. Internal documents seem to show that Apple wants to stop buying batteries from third-party companies and working on making its own batteries for iPhones, iPads, and their Mac computers. Of course, no timeline is visible, but this is interesting. Mark Zuckerberg wanted to put things straight yesterday, answering, of course, what is the most common question that people ask: is Facebook selling users' data? He said no, but that the way Facebook works, it's an ad platform, and that the way we behave, the things we do, are used to, of course, serve proper ads to users. And finally, Nintendo says that for now, there is no follow-up to the Switch, which is maybe a lie, because I would think that companies like that probably are already thinking about the future. But it says that the sales of the console are very good and plans to sell more than 20 million units this year, showing how the Nintendo Switch is still a hot item for a lot of people. And this was the Tech News Update for Friday, January the 25th, 2019. Enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.